Welcome to 10 Things Travel, your channel for all things travel. You can't leave the country without a valid passport, and you will not even be able to book a ticket without one. So for today's video, I will give you a 10-step guide for Filipinos on how to apply for a passport. But before that, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips. And now, let's dive in. First, prepare the required documents. Gather the necessary documents such as a valid government-issued ID like driver's license, UMID ID, or postal ID. There are also other acceptable valid IDs which I will link in the description below. If you are renewing your passport, you may bring your old passport as your valid ID. You would also need an original PSA-issued birth certificate and supporting documents as applicable, especially if your information is not legible on the PSA birth certificate. If you're applying under a different status, a PSA-issued marriage certificate would be required. Step 2. Schedule an appointment by going to www.passport.gov.ph and schedule an appointment for passport application. Click View Appointment, then Schedule Appointment on the next page. Click Start Appointment on the pop-up message. Read the terms and conditions and tick the checkbox. Click Start Individual Appointment if you're applying by yourself, or you may choose to start group appointment if you're applying with family or friends. Next, choose your location. So for tutorial purposes, I will click Asia Pacific since I'm in the Philippines. Then, you can select the sites where you want to book the appointment for. Read the notice and click the checkbox, then hit Next. You may now choose a date and time that's convenient for you. Remember that those in red are fully booked and in green are dates with available slots. If your preferred date is fully booked, you may check other locations by clicking the site drop-down to see if they have slots for your preferred date. After choosing your time and date, confirm that you're not a robot and hit Next. Third, you will then be required to fill out the online application form on the next page. Complete the form, and if a warning message appears, read it and click the checkbox. Make sure to provide accurate information and double-check for any errors before submission. Fourth step is to pay the passport fee. You can do this through various payment options available on the DFA website, such as online payment, over-the-counter payment at authorized banks, or you may pay in cash via payment centers such as Bayad Centers, LBC, and 7-Eleven. You will receive a confirmation email once your payment is processed. Note that there will be a convenience fee on top of the passport fee. Next step is printing of application form. After successful payment, you will receive an email from passport.gov.ph confirming your appointment schedule. Print your application form in an A4 size paper and make sure to bring this on the day of your appointment. Sixth step is to attend the appointment. On the scheduled date, go to the DFA office or satellite office where you booked your appointment. Arrive on time and make sure to bring all the required documents. Remember to follow all instructions provided by the DFA and double-check the requirements before your appointment to avoid any delays or issues during the application process. Step 7. Submit your application form and supporting documents to the DFA personnel. You will also have your biometrics, like fingerprints and photo, taken during this process. Just an additional tip, don't wear too revealing clothes, large jewelries, and heavy makeup on your appointment date. Eighth step is to review all the details on your application form before final submission. Ensure that everything is correct and accurate. Number 9 is to wait for processing. After submitting your application, wait for the processing of your passport. It usually takes 12 to 15 working days before a new passport is released. However, the processing time may vary depending on the DFA office's workload and other factors. Our final step is to claim your passport. Once your passport is ready for release, you will receive a notification via email or SMS. Visit the DFA office or authorized courier service to claim your passport. Make sure to bring the necessary documents for verification, like your claim stub or official receipt and valid ID. If you're renewing, bring your old passport as well. Now let's recap our checklist. 1. Prepare the required documents. Schedule an appointment. Complete the online application form. Pay the passport fee. Print the application form. Attend the appointment. Submit your application and biometrics. Review and confirm the details in your application. Wait for processing. And claim your passport. Congratulations! You now have a passport. You can now start booking and packing and traveling the world. If you like this video, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!